In this video, I will show you how to easily bhop in CS2 using the best bind scroll wheel jump, and with that in mind, let's get right into it. To get started, go to your settings and make sure that you've activated the developer console. And then after you've done that, open the console and paste the command bind m wheel down plus jump bind space plus jump, and after pasting the command, click on enter. By the way, I've included the command in the description down below, so you can just copy and paste it. The command was m wheel down for scrolling down, but you can also use m wheel up for scrolling up, depending on your preference. You can simply modify this part of the command to suit your preference. The plus jump and the bind space plus jump, and this will enable you to jump using both of your mouse scroll wheel and the spacebar. Okay, so let's try the new bhop bind scroll wheel jump in CS2. And as you can see, right now in my video, I can bhop easily in CS2 using this nice bind scroll wheel jump. Simply copy and paste the comment from the description down below to use this bind scroll wheel jump and start to bhop like a pro in CS2. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was helpful, please share this video with your friends so they could also know how to bhop in CS2 and use the best bind scroll wheel jump.